something that people have spent half their life trying to get a एक पहचान बनाने के लिए. So welcome.
Thank you, Sahil. This wonderful person who's here with me right now, I know him from Be For You.
Yes.
इन्होंने मेरी सबसे पहली इंटरव्यू की थी कड़क, एंड और भी बहुत, आई थिंक स्टार स्टॉप भी था, बहुत सारे थे, एंड लवली वॉइस, हिज वॉइस इज सो अमेजिंग.
और कभी मैं गा नहीं पाता हूँ सर, तभी हम दूर रहेंगे, बट यू नो इट इज अ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट वर्क टू डू जब आप एक गाना बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं और एक शुरुआत में आपका एक गाना बन जाता है बहुत बड़ा. Why don't we have a seat and then we will of course call the lady who's perhaps there on everyone's mind these days. She's perhaps I think the most talked about lady that there is in the industry.
She is definitely. That's what we took her in the video, right?
Absolutely.
That was that's a USP.
But you're one of the most I think fortunate individuals. जब शुरुआत में आप एक गाना निकालते हो और आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हो कि इतने जिंदगी भर तक लोग ये गाना जानेंगे और गाते रहेंगे. Has this been a boon for you या फिर इसको forever के लिए हीरिया के लिए आपको live up करना पड़ा है?
You know, actually, honestly, बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं कि वो गाना मैंने गाया था. जो आज की जनरेशन है, साउंड चल रहा है, you know, साउंड पीपल नो, हीरिए, सोनिए, लेकिन you know, I think पता नहीं वो एक चीज़ बन गई, प्यारी सी मेलोडी बन गई, लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया, क्योंकि उस टाइम 2006 की बात है ये. And I think those time a lot of remixes were happening.
Absolutely.
You know, Harry Anand, Kaanta Laga, all those things were happening, you know. And then suddenly I think when this track dropped, एक emotional track, you know, with those lovely visuals and you know, dialogues and all, तो I think वो हो सकता है कि impact पड़ा हो लोगों के दिलों में, you know, मतलब काफी, you don't know यार, एक चीज़ बन गई. It's like, you know, it's
You mentioned 2006, लोग बोलते हैं ना reverse aging पूरी दुनिया जा रही है. इस बात को 18-19 साल हो गए. Listen, I have to say, you maintain the size also. It's fantastic, यार. This is you know you do a lot of other things also. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कई बार लोग इसको नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. Because you got to appear on screen also. You have to look the right way also. You really maintain this part.
Yeah, I'm getting old, yeah. I have to, you know, look after myself. Yeah. But I think I just be happy, you know, stay positive, you know, get that beautiful positive energy from the universe, and you throw that same energy. I just want everybody should be happy. वो happiness से maybe वो weight वो control में है.
सब कुछ. It looks like you're doing yoga 24/7. वो बुद्धा वाली feel है आपके face पर. You know, but making a track also like this also. Samiksha is very involved. The both of you have been involved in front of the camera, behind the camera, behind the camera. You know, your family. Is it difficult to work with your wife?
Samiksha is actually she herself is an actress.
Yes.
तो काफी movies की हैं, TV series वगैरह की हैं. So I think, you know, she understands cinema very well. Right. मुझे याद है साहिल, like during lockdown, we shot this video called तेरे नाल.
Yes.
उस टाइम मेरी मेट थी सिंगापुर में और मेरी असिस्टेंट थी. हमने कैमरा दे दिया उनको और फ्रेमिंग समीक्षा ने कर दी कि भाई अब खड़े हो जाओ. मैंने कहा खड़े होना है. She's like नहीं, we will make it very nice COVID style kind of thing कि वो हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, you know. तो I think वो I think she has that instinct, you know, that she understands camera, she understands storytelling. अच्छी सुनते ही कोई story दिमाग में आती है समीक्षा की. तो ये इस गाने के साथ भी, you know, she curated everything very well. And I think I thank her for this beautiful creation. And obviously thank you, Urvashi, for being part of this song. क्योंकि working with her was amazing. She's such a lovely person. You know, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. You know, मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि कैसी होंगी, you know, like, I mean, you know, because she's been here, you know, has done so many, you know, albums and, you know, a lot of other things. So, लेकिन comfort zone था, you know, this is the most important thing when you're working with your co-star.
You know, and before I call her on stage, I have to say, she's one of the hardest working individuals I have known. Again, मैं भी इनको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ. जब वो stage पर आ रही हैं, she has worked her way up. She has reached a stage where, you know, everyone now knows. You know, like I said, लोग नाम के लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं और कई बार लोग नाम नहीं पहचानते हैं. But Urvashi Rautela today, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most loved faces on Indian cinema and Indian television. Please to welcome her on stage. And can I have a chair for us? Urvashi, welcome. Once again. Can I just have a mic, please? The mic is... हाँ, दे दो. Thank you. Please, Urvashi, have a seat. पहले just have a seat, then we'll just go ahead. Yeah. थोड़ा और पास. उर्वशी is, like I said, कि ये एक एक करके ना लोगों की विश लिस्ट पर आप और ऊपर जाते जा रहे हो. And that's how it's always been. मैं हर बार जब आपसे मिलता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू नो यू आर ट्राइंग so hard and you always manage to succeed. So now that you are the it girl in Bollyland और सब लोग चाहते हैं कि उर्वशी के साथ we should make some kind of a project. How does it feel now?
First of all, extremely grateful and very thankful for such sweet words and very kind words. I must say, first of all, extremely elated to have all of you here. Thank you so much to all the members of media. I'm just truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, Wo Chand Kahan Se Laogi, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography, and people love it even way more.
लोग होता है ना Shell, it happens, when you have there's a lucky charm हो जाता है, and when the lucky charm sort of works, it really. Just one sec. Should I wait for the lights to come back on? Okay, continue. So एक lucky charm बन जाता है, and it sort of really works, and I think she's become that lucky charm. Wherever you go, you'll see Urvashi these days.
She's traveling, I think, everywhere. I mean, मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती हैं, कभी वहाँ होती हैं, कभी यहाँ. मतलब it's really amazing. See, keeping yourself, engaged with so many things, and again keeping yourself so fit and fine.
That is another thing.
That is
also.
that is something.
उर्वशी का जो
It's very
workout schedule,
difficult.
उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ.
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है. But I think it's all a hard work, and I'm saying, मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मज़ा आया. हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा. So it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing. And obviously रब्बा करे, अभी गाना है, आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए, शेयर करिए. थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूँगा मैं यहाँ पर.
थोड़ी, we can do lots of.
I know.
उर्वशी 2 दिन के शूट में पहले 2 घंटे कैसे रहता है? You met Shell over there. Of course, we've known Shell for a period of time also. As a singer and as an artist, we've always known him. First 2 hours, how is it? How was it meeting Shell?
I have to say that when I met him, I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Are you're working with Shell Oswal? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said, that you don't have to worry. And right from that moment, I didn't worry at all, and it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, at the same time, how do we say, आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that, he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman, you'll find this one thing, that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is a kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बढ़ाई.
मैं बोल रहा सर.
Man, thank you, Urvashi.
Absolutely right.
No, but
difficult to do
so
both
kind of you. I'm really kind of you. Thank you so much, and likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. I saw her that song Sanam Re. One thing good about Urvashi is that she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि वी हैव टू शो हर भाई दैट सिंप्लीफाइड काइंड ऑफ दैट जोन, राइट. इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो वी ऑल आर हैप्पी यार. बस अभी तो अब आपके ऊपर है.
इन सब के ऊपर है, but it's a large team that was involved in making the track also. Was this an immediate yes? Like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे, या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना, you're not back and forth चलते रहता है, ऐसा हुआ था इस पे या immediately yes हो गया था?
नहीं, I think immediately. Yeah, we had the story, we had the screenplay ready. And so once she was on board, that's it. We just, shot 2 days and yeah.
I
in the
like
flow.
the arrangement of the track also. Beach mein, a lot of the songs that you have, na, have this love story vibe to it. There's a nice groove to it also. And there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it. So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Hirie. Vidhu Goswami, तो I call him Vidhu da, he's a Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन जी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, but again I have this vision that let's make this track a little, like as you rightly said, electronic, little upbeat guitars. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया. So we were jamming यार, 2-3 आई melodies. फिर final I thought that this is the one we should.
Mix off very nicely. Just
Thank
before
you,
I
thank
open
you
out
so
to
much.
also the public also. What is on your playlist right now? Rishi, you're traveling, like Shell said, you're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your team is doing.
I might travel after this as well.
Immediately.
Yeah.
अभी गोवा होगा ना, yeah. But I want to understand, what is on your playlist? क्या सुनते रहते हो? Music सुनते हो या फिर script readings चलती रहती है? क्या चलता है?
नहीं, I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days. Wow. And I just like, I so love her music, be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's music, and I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So
You
I like
throw
that.
so many
मैं
googlies,
एक
and I
चीज-
expected something totally different.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, I was so impressed, and I asked her, like, what genre of music do you like? She's like, I love these, melodies, and तो मैंने कहा कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, someday. I mean, whenever, I
एक
told her.
album काटने का टाइम आ गया है. उर्वशी,
नहीं, मतलब, और देखो उत्तराखंड से है, तो वहाँ तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन में है, क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था, मुझे याद है वहाँ पर, I mean, पहाड़ों में ना, actually म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को. I have seen that, and I think maybe she's from that state, beautiful state, and she has that sense and she sings. That was the most amazing thing, So
एक हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा. I'll just have
please, you have to. I would love to. Love to.
I'll have a little bit for. This is dedicated to him.
Well, thank you so much.
And
That's what I love about you.
everyone.
आप always ready रहते हैं. This is the best part. हो जाए.
It is a lot of people will not understand it, but it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's go ahead. Alieri Ari piya bena Alieri Ari piya bena सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिन सखीरी आरी पिया बिन.
Unrehearsed. Live.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Wonderful. उर्वशी, मेरे पास लाइव सिंगर्स आ जाते हैं, मेरे रेडियो स्टूडियो में आते हैं, मेरे टेलीविजन स्टूडियो में आते हैं, और वो नहीं गाने को तैयार रहते हैं यार, और वो बोलते हैं गला खराब है मेरा. So fantastic. Shell, now she's sung, you have to sing. रब्बा करे.
This was for him.
मैं
Wonderful, so wonderful.
एक गाना गाना चाहूँगा, चलो ये है यहाँ पर, and आप भी सब हैं. So this song actually which kind of changed my perception, for love songs, and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी. So I'll sing few lines of Hiri. तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल दा करार नी, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता, सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी है, सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है. Thank you.
Wonderful. Flashback हो गया हमारा.
अरे वाह.
Before I open out, we'd love to hear Rabba Kare also. A couple of lines would be nice. Yeah.
We can play with the music actually. Upbeat है ना? With the music we can play. I mean I can sing with the music.
Yeah.
है ना थोड़ा
Play ना.
उसमें एक
गाना
got
सुना
that
दो.
थोड़ा उसमें मजा आएगा.
Done.
Upbeat. मैं इसका बनाऊंगा अनप्लग्ड अगर ये चल गया.
You should. Play बाबा.
नहीं. अब देखो.
concept
अरे
तो
कौन सा
बनता है.
सर,
कौन सा
देखिए,
डांस?
देखिए शुरुआत
Yes,
कैसे
yes,
हुई
it is audience poll.
हाँ,
See,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
members of media want.
और शुरुआत ऐसी हुई कि उर्वशी गाती है और ऋषि ने गा
जय हो
लिया.
जय.
चलिए.
ये स्टेप.
Can we just remove the आप चेयर हटा दीजिए. That is the best way to teach people how to dance.
यहाँ देखो मेरे हमेशा ये उठा है. ये देखो नहीं ये तो बस सोचो कि है.
सर वो ABCD पिक्चर ही यही बनी थी. Anybody can dance. यही reason था हम सबके लिए.
नहीं थोड़ा स्टेप था. She is the most fantabulous dancer. मैं देखो honestly when I came to know that she is on board, so I had to work little harder, you know, to dance. इतना अच्छा डांस नहीं लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया. But that's
No, this I think a big round of applause. They're very sporting, yeah.
thank you.
I'll say this to both of you also. Sometimes you know when you don't feel like doing this. कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि यार चलो गाना तो सुना दिया सवाल जवाब. But I'm really happy and I love your spunk also. You make it really fun. तो कुछ सवाल जवाब जो लोग करना चाहते हैं, I'll throw it out to people. Yes. लिपिका जी. अच्छा. Okay. That side on the right, Urvashi.
Hello. Yeah, Lipika. How are you, Urvashi?
Hello,
How are you,
hi.
Shail?
Hello.
Why are you standing so far
No,
away?
sorry. I'm.
No, you should be close
बिल्कुल
to
बिल्कुल जी
the...
मैं.
Close to you?
Yeah, no. To
Yes,
the,
yes.
To the
No,
heroine
actually I was
of,
standing. I could see you better,
Rabba-
so now I'm gonna be here.
Rabba
Yes.
Kare.
Rabba करे जी.
So how was your experience, dancing with such a beautiful Urvashi who gives a tough competition even to the Hollywood heroines?
Honestly, when I came to know she's on board, so I did aggressive rehearsals for 2 days. For the especially ये तो ठीक था, but that the one step where I do this, all that like then going forward. But if you see her performance, she's so natural. I think because she's already she knows the skills, she knows the camera, how to. तो मेरे लिए dance इतना मैंने कभी किया नहीं. So for me, it was a little difficult, initially. But I think, thanks to her support, we did it. We
Well,
just
appreciating her craft, her performance, definitely she is very exuberant while dancing. But weren't you smitten by her?
Anybody would be. I think not me. I think anyone.
What was the ratio that you were smitten to if I ask you out of 10?
I think I would give 9.5.
Oh my God.
Definitely.
That's great.
Definitely.
Thank you.
अभी वो जो
Urvashi, would you like to add something about Shail?
As I already previously stated, that I think it's kind of rare, like only 1% out of 100% population, where you see and find a very successful, hyper successful businessman at the same time who is a creative genius as well. He is so good with the soulful, romantic tracks. At the same time, he's very versatile as well. So I think for me, creatively, it was such a great joy working on the sets, and plus at the same time, he was just so super supportive, and he was a great energy to be on sets with. Yeah.
Thank you for the sweet words.
It's a lovely mutual admiration society, but it works that
Hana?
way also. Yes, absolutely. Best. Yes, anybody else?
Yes. Shell, Urvashi, congratulations for Rabba Kare.
Thank you.
Hello.
Shell,
Thank
I
you.
must say, whether it's Hiriye, Soniye, whether it's Rabba Kare, tell me about this, your love for these emotional, heartfelt songs. Are you die-hard romantic at heart, or does it come in very naturally to you?
No, I am definitely romantic at heart. And actually, I grew up listening to Nazia Hassan and Zoe Hassan. So these songs, Bidu was actually my first album came out with Bidu. And I think listening to those songs when I was very young, like 6, 7 years old, Chehra, Jana, so I think वहाँ से एक शुरुआत हुई, and then I think I just love the essence of the melodies, the lyrics. Lyrics are very important for me, I think, because when I used to hear Zoe and Nazia, even in their songs, lyrics were the most important part. And for Bidu, lyrics were very important. So I think thanks to Bidu and the entire journey.
But tell me very honestly, did you imagine Soniye Hirie to be such a timeless classic and get so much of enduring love?
I never thought that, honestly, because Hirie was dropped at a time. There's so many remixes happening. And I told my team that, guys, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? कोई नहीं सुनने वाला ये गाना. They're like, नहीं, आप ना just listen to the melody. So Dada came to the office at Carter Road, and he got his peti, harmonium, and he said, "Baitho." Okay, बैठ गए. Then he started playing, some tunes. I said, "हाँ, ठीक है, it's nice." He's like, "Just sing this song in the studio. Rest you leave it to me, and then you hear the final mix." So when I heard the final mix, I had goosebumps, but I never knew that this song will reach, that milestone. I think thanks to everybody here, I think people who understand melodies and soulful songs, we just tried our best. I think it happened. I think thanks to the universe.
Can I please also add a
Please,
little bit
please,
thing?
yeah.
I have to say one more thing, that it's kind of tough for any artist, be it like a singer, musician, or an actor, to have such a, I would say, like a lifelong evergreen classic. And you have that already. So you are really very lucky and very blessed that you have something like a Hirie, which is such a like a timeless classic. Yeah.
I think it's like DDLJ.
Yes.
Like a movie. When I was shooting for my earlier songs, I remember the whole team was there. Kunal Kohli, Saroj Khanji was there. So we stayed at Sanan in Switzerland, at the same hotel where the whole DDLJ team was there. So I'm just, kind of just recalling into the whole thing. And I think, as she rightly said that it is difficult to create something, but sometimes you know what happens. That control is not in your hands. So the song, yeah.
Divine power.
Listen, you need to give a behind the scenes of all the songs you've created. ऐसे जो आप ऐसे time ऐसे फेंक रहे हो ना ये सारी stories. This is very fantastic.
मैं actually ना मैं थोड़ा वो हीरे को लेके फिर मैं उस zone में चले गया.
Lovely, and you also took names like Biddu. Yeah, it's just some lovely
Biddu, yeah,
nostalgia.
yeah.
Yes.
You mean to say this song?
Yeah, is reminding him of the late 90s kind of
No,
music.
actually you're absolutely right, क्योंकि ये इस गाने में मैंने purposely थोड़ी essence रखी थी 90s का, क्योंकि I belong to that era, and I think 90s was the best time for the music industry. I feel that for the pop music industry, independent pop music industry, and but then I thought थोड़ा आज का भी we have to have that little Gen Z, little bit of that beat happening. So gathered everything together. I think it came out different, and I hope now people will enjoy it. Actually, for me, sound should reach. See, views, I've seen so many songs, जिसके, views कुछ खास होते नहीं है, but the sound has reached. लोग ये बोले यार वो गाना सुना. So then you know actually that the song has reached, So I hope आपने अच्छी बात बोली 90s की, काश आज की generation भी उसको connect करे. That.
करेगी, social media के through करेगी. That's
yeah,
how it's
yeah.
happening these days, pretty much. Yeah.
Hi, you're this side. Hello. Hi, this is
hello.
Asta from Awesome TV. The song is absolutely awesome as well.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
My question goes out to you, Shahel. You're a successful businessman as well as singer, and you've been singing also since a long time, and you're doing business also since a long time. How do you manage to, engage with both of them, and how do you manage to?
I think it's just your simple thought process. I've never thought so much about my other part of the business. I mean, when I'm singing, it's completely, I'm in this zone. And I think my team knows. So the other, those people know that, okay, when, Shahel is doing something in the studio, he's creating something, let's not bother him, because I'm not in that space. So I think, and touchwood, I have a good team, so they understand, my direction towards, certain things. That's how I balance. I think it's just, in your mind.
So it's easy going.
It was tough initially, but I think now it's I made myself a little bit more go with the flow kind of a like person. So I think I can manage it. Yeah.
The most important part is that the person has to be completely sorted in their brains, in their head.
That's
And
what I
that's
said.
what
Yeah,
you're
it's just
super
on your
sorted.
yeah.
That
I
would
think it's
really
just
helps.
on your mind. I think how you balance things. Sorry.
Not at all. I mean, I think.
I am
Yeah.
at some point of time. I think everybody has to, but that's okay. I think they understand कि चलो ठीक है. गुस्सा गुस्सा थोड़ी देर के लिए आता है. बाद में फिर प्यार ही बहुत करता हूँ उनको मैं. So I think that's important.
उर्वशी, you're this side. Also, I wanted to ask that आपका भी कोई सिंगिंग में डेब्यू हो सकता है क्या? आपका और शहल जी का साथ में ऐसा लग रहा है?
Yes, for
No,
National
actually, she had mentioned to me when we were shooting in Dubai, and I would love to, and I think because I know she's extremely busy with all the engagements, she has right now. But whenever she has sukoon ka time, then when I think when actually वो भी लिखा है, जो होना है वो होगा. I think maybe universe got us connected. When she came, she spoke to me about her music, her skills of singing. And then she told me she's doing a lot of international projects as well. And I think maybe I'll be a part of that, a small part of her collaboration. I would love to. I would love to.
Thank you.
Check. Okay. Any more? Or should we wrap?
Amit has a question. No, I don't have a question. No. All the best.
Thank you.
Last but not the least,
That's a nice one.
I also want to add that a great round of applause to my director, who we've already worked with, Firoze Khan. It was so good, amazing working with him, because in a span of 1.5 day, he was super fast and at the same time such a smooth. It was so smooth to work with him. At the same time, also, the Miss Samiksha Oswal as well for such a smooth ride and helping us creatively. So a big round of applause to them and to the entire team.
Urvashi, just now you said ki you will be debuting, in singing. So would it be a romantic number? What number? And would it be for the South industry, since you're so familiar there? And will it be for Hindi industry?
डाकू महाराज का टीजर देखा?
हाँ.
मजा आया?
हाँ.
अभी आप आगे देखिए, तबाही आ रही है.
क्या बात है.
धमाका आने वाला
लेकिन
है.
डेब्यू किस में करोगी? रोमांटिक नंबर में, सोलफुल नंबर में, किस में करोगी?
I think.
और किसको लोगे अपने ऑपोजिट?
अरे, no, I thought the नजर वहाँ है शायद.
मेरा समय जा चुका है सर.
नहीं.
Yeah?
Come on.
I already did a brief अभी एक performance दिया especially
हाँ.
आप सभी के लिए. I think
Yeah.
आपने देखा?
जी.
हाँ जी देखा. I would say it would be like something pop.
Oh wow.
Maybe something pop and something very, how do I say, like something dance oriented, yeah,
Okay.
and pop mix.
Okay.
Lipika ji, she's already
Shit.
shot it. I
Shit.
think so. अभी वो पूरा बता नहीं सकती आपको. Maybe.
अरे तू चुप रह ना. Shell, you have to go back home. Working with such a beautiful lady, is your wife not gonna be insecure? What
Ashima,
was her? What was her? I mean, what did she tell you when you cast her?
No. I think it's a complete trust. And, she herself is an actress and she's done so many movies and she's been behind the camera. So I think, sorry, in front of the camera, I'm so sorry. So I think, for her, when Urvashi, anybody else, एक trust factor होता है. I think it's about, we are acting, right? I mean, we are there and it's a nice, a very nice atmosphere when everybody is together. And she, as I said, being an actress, she's been there, done that, and now she's here writing my, stories or, creating the complete video. I think it's fine. I think it's trust. No. I can't see it. That's why
Lipika ji today is on a roll.
I know.
गाड़ी में सवार, fifth gear.
No, but thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I'll take the mics and we
Thank you.
take some pictures.
And guys, देखना ना भूले डाकू महाराज भी मेरी आने वाली film with Balakrishna Garu, Bobby Deol in it. It is produced by Sitara Entertainments and directed by Bobby Kohli ji. Thank you so much for giving such an amazing response to the teaser of Daku Maharaj. More than 1.3 crore views, and for making it on the top trending list at the same time. Isme, I do have a lot of action sequences, and I play a police officer. So you'll get to see me in a very completely different avatar. और हमारी फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है मकर संक्रांति को, तो जैसे कि आप उस बारे में पूछ रहे थे, तो प्लीज़ देखिए एंड डू लेट मी नो व्हाट यू फील अबाउट डाकू महाराज. थैंक यू.
ये तो ट्रेंड हो रहा है बाय द वे ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. इट्स ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. कांग्रेचुलेशंस. सो इट्स रब्बा करे इज ऑलरेडी
Yes.
ट्रेंडिंग. Sweet. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. So congratulations. Are you happy?
Thank you.
Every day, you know, Urvashi must be going, do you do this on your Instagram and see what's trending? Where am I trending? A lot of actors used to do that first. I used to have actors that used to tell me, पहले सारे Bombay Times के articles आएंगे, सारे ये आएंगे, मैं सब कुछ check करूँगा, उसके बाद ही आगे बढ़ूँगा. I'll not take those names. All A-list actors. So do you also go through Instagram and see where all my name is trending?
No, I mean not that, but abhi, I'm really excited to see all the Rabba Kare, upcoming
Videos,
trending reels
yeah.
and everybody doing the dance steps. And I'm really looking forward to some really very creative reels
Yeah.
of Rabba Kare. Yeah.
And if they're very creative, then she'll share it also. It'll be fun. Lots of millions of people. All right. Thank you, guys. We'll just take some pictures. Yeah.
Shell, it's Rabba Kare, and the song is already trending before it got released. The video got released today. How does it feel to make a grand comeback with a grand video, grand audio, and a grand launch, and such a beautiful actor with you?
Oh, अब बहुत कुछ बोल दिया आपने तो. Actually, for me, I never knew the meaning of trending. Actually, हम तो गाने बनाते थे, and I think we should think that okay, we made a song from the heart, let people love it, share it, and but now actually reels and all these things really matter a lot. So I'm happy. I'm happy people are liking the song. I won't say loving. Loving maybe will come a little later. I don't want to be too pompous about what I say. So I think it's a melody. It'll take some time for it to grow. Hiri also took some time to grow. Any melody. So hopefully it will keep on growing.
Listen, if a track of yours is still being sung after 18 years, that's called forever trend. Cult classic ban chuka hai wo.
yeah.
So you've already...
And I want to thank Salil for that, because I remember for Hiri, before you had made me the singer of the nation, and he did Kadak, full volume, और भी कुछ थे.
Every show possible.
हाँ. He was the main guy. Kadak में जाओ, ये बैठे हैं. Full volume में, yeah, again I see you here. It's like amazing. I think
बाकी सबको निकाल दिया था ना, एक ही बचा था. तो वही.
that was amazing days, yeah.
Urvashi, just before we wind up, my question to both of you is, what is that one beautiful memory of Rabba Kare that you will cherish forever?
I think I'd say a couple of beautiful memories, especially when we shot in that beautiful island away. It was.
It's called the World Island.
Yes.
They have 7 different continents. So we chose this Lebanese.
Yeah, Lebanon.
Lebanon. Yeah.
So we shot
So-
in this really exotic world island, and it is such a cute and small, sweet island. And we all were there. I think there were not so many people,
Not too many people.
but it was so aloof, very peaceful, and also had the great energy on sets like you and Shell's energy. So I think it was really amazing while shooting in the island and doing our shots, enjoying the beautiful water, the sea, and the cruise. So I think that was a really nice
Really.
moment we
I
all
think
shared together.
I'll just say one thing. Parul was there. I mean, looking at her, actually you feel very energetic. She has that, pushing, that power or something. And she's gifted with that. Yeah.
Shell, aapki memory?
My memory is like obviously with Urvashi. I think she's part of this video. I did wanted to work with her for the longest time, and I think I told Firoz Bhai also. When he told me, I said no. You try to contact Urvashi first. I think that's our first choice. And luckily, she was free. She could give her dates to us, and she came and she conquered.
Thank you. Also, I'd like to add celebrating Diwali.
Oh,
at
yeah,
our
yeah, yeah.
place.
We actually-
it was
yeah,
so
yeah.
good. Like we celebrated Diwali.
Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah,
had
yeah.
like our own moment with Diya and crackers. And
Yeah. We did.
you
Yeah.
blasted, like-
Yes. I know suddenly that bomb.
Yeah, exactly.
An hour.
Yeah. So we experimented a lot.
Yeah.
At the Diwali time.
Thank you
Thank you,
guys.
ji,
Thank you
thank
very
you.
much. हाँ
Thank you.
हाँ जी, ठीक है जी। किन्ना तेनू चावा है न समझी तू, तेरे नाम किती जिंदगी, जदों तू मिलेगी तेनू दसांगे, तेरे नाल मेरी हर खुशी, तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल दा करार नी, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता, सोहणिए हीरिए तेरी याद आउंदी ए, सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी ए। थैंक यू।
Nostalgia. Okay.
यार मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, मैं उसको रिक्रिएट कर ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि ना ये आई विल काइंड ऑफ किल यू नो दैट एसेंस ऑफ दैट ब्यूटीफुल मेलोडी व्हिच हैज ऑलरेडी बीन मेड। तो हीरिए 2 मुझे बहुत बार एक्चुअली इवन यूनिवर्सल हैड यू नो उनके उनके पास ही एल्बम है, सो दे हैड कॉन्टैक्टेड मी एंड हमारी बातचीत चली हीरिए 2 को लेके, बट देन आई रियलाइज नहीं यार वो एक बन चुकी है, यू नो वो अब मैं फिर से करूँगा तो मैं अपने आप को ना, अगर नहीं वो चीज़ बन के आए ना, देन आई विल बी लाइक मैंने क्यों किया, सो इट्स बेटर वो बन गई, पीपल आर स्टिल एंजॉयिंग इट, आई थिंक आई जस्ट वांट टू लीव इट देयर ओनली, इट्स आई थिंक या इट्स बेटर। हाँ यू नो
Never spoil a good thing. Once एक बारी हो गया ना गोल्ड भाई, गोल्ड प्लैटिनम उसे बनने दो, नया वाला गोल्ड
लोग
बनेगा।
रीमिक्सेस करें दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग टू रिक्रिएट समथिंग, आई मीन हीरिए तो यार थोड़ा मुश्किल है।
Done. Thank you. We'll take some pictures now. Yeah, just give those mics across. Yeah, thank you. And duets.